So you've done all the research.
You went Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, all the social media.
And you found the guy or the shop that you're like, this is the dude that's gonna put my car stereo equipment in.
Here's the few tips that will make the installation go smoother.
Tip number 1, and this is a biggie. No matter whether you have an appointment or you're just stopping by to say hi, never park your car in front of the bay door.
Tell me why.
Installers are very territorial. The bay is their sanctuary. This is where we spend, you know, 5 to 6 days a week, and we have a way we like to do things. We have a front door, we have a back door. You come in the front door, we pull the cars in the back door. Never try to pull your car in, never park in front of the door, because you don't know what's going on in the bay. Even if you're the first car, most installers have a ritual when they come in. They like to do certain things to get ready for the day, and if you screw that up a bit, it screws up their whole day.
Tip number 2, please clean your car.
You know, when we were kids, our moms always told us to clean our room, put your stuff away. Your car is not a rolling box of crap for you to put everything. The last thing an installer wants to do when he gets in your car is have to move you out of your car so that he can put whatever it is he has to put in the car.
Tip number 3, when the installer give you a chance to be in the install bay, just don't bother them. Just let it do the job.
There's nothing that drives an installer crazier than the customer hanging out over their shoulder and just like watching everything they do and just, you know, like all up in their stuff and trying to see what he's doing. Just don't crowd him. And tip number 4.
Hey, you know how much longer?
We're working on your car. We're doing the best that we can. Let us work at our own pace. The last thing you want us to do is rush through an install on your vehicle. It's the second most expensive and sometimes the first most expensive thing in your life. And you want someone to hurry up so you can get it done? Plan your day accordingly so that the installer has the time he needs in order to get your install done properly. Tip number 5, if your installer's putting new stuff in your car and having to take old stuff out, and you bring boxes for him to put the old stuff back in. Most installers are pretty busy, they have more cars to do, and they really don't have the time to package your equipment up the way you would want it to be packaged up. We're taking this stuff out, we'll make sure you get it all back, so feel free to do that when you get home. So these are just a few of our tips, and these apply to everything. It isn't just car audio. This could be taking your cars in for repair, it could be having somebody come over to your house, fix the air conditioner in the attic or the pool in the backyard. These apply to life. It's just not with us. These are just meant to help you because the guys that are going to be working on your cars, they have
much stress.
You know, I'm worried about your car and making sure that we do the best job possible. And any installer worth being an installer is going to feel the same way. Love your installer, hug your installer. Don't really. Your car will turn out better for it. Thank you for watching as always, guys.
On to the next one.
Have a nice night. We'll see you next time.
Bye.